the 2017 Automation Fair event in Houston, the top companies in industrial automation are showing off their products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network. One of those top companies is Advanced Energy, and I'm talking to Mark here at their booth. So Mark, tell me what your company does.
We manufacture two types of products that can be used for temperature control. The first is an Scr Power Controller, which takes AC power, could be 1, 2, or 3-phase power. It converts that into a load that then can be used to drive an electric heater of some kind. They're used in all kinds of applications, from drying, hardening, forming, annealing, these types of applications. And the second product is an optical temperature pyrometer. It has the ability to measure that object from some distance, so after you've heated up your process, whatever that is, the pyrometer allows you to measure its temperature.
How does the pyrometer work?
Sitting inside the pyrometer, there is an optical filter there, and then we collect the infrared radiation emanating from an object. The pyrometer sees that and converts that into temperature. It's pretty straightforward.
And what is a Scr controller? How does that work?
It takes the incoming line power, so like I said earlier, it could be 1, 2, or 3-phase incoming AC power, and then very precisely converts that power into the right load needed to drive the heaters. The advantage of them are that they are extremely precise, robust, very repeatable, and for processes that require real fine-tuning and precision, they're an excellent choice.
What kind of industries, are there specific industries that really use these kind of technologies?
It could be actually across the board, so it could be for every type of product you can think of, from food and beverage to steel mills to glass to carpet manufacturing and just about everything in between. So in any process where if you're trying to heat something and you need to control that temperature very precisely, the Scr Power Controller and the pyrometer are a great choice.
Okay, and I know there's a lot of traffic here in your booth. What are you highlighting that people are interested in?
The technology themselves, just how they work, but also how they connect into the bigger picture. So throughout us, every sign here is about the migration towards the connected enterprise, and we're also part of that. So we have add-on profiles for both products, and we're part of that process as well, where we can take those individual products and put them into the digital enterprise.
And that's important because Rockwell Automation, the connected enterprise is everything they're about. It's part of the Internet of Things or smart manufacturing, whatever people call it. So how long have you guys been in it, and do you purposely do it just with Rockwell, or do you also work with other companies as well?
This is our third year as an Encompass partner, and this year we even have additional products that we're highlighting. Every year our products get more and more integrated, so the AOP is obviously exclusive to Rockwell. We work with other customers as well, and we have software that allows customers to connect these products into their networks, so even if they're not using Rockwell, they can connect those products.
And I know you guys are on top of things in the industry. Are there a couple trends you can tell our viewers about that are going on in thermal processing?
I think one thing we see driving is just definitely a higher precision. So customers may have been using thermocouples, which is a fairly traditional way to measure. And over time, those thermocouples, they wear out, they have problems, they drift. And we're seeing customers are just requiring more from their processes. So they're trying to get, better yield, better processes, better energy consumption. And that starts with good equipment. And so that's where we see things migrating.
Okay. And now if someone's looking for a partner to work in thermal processing like you or a competitor that you don't want them to work with, but what should they look for in a thermal processing company?
First, it starts with the equipment itself, so that Scr Power Controller and the pyrometer do their job well, so that they're spec'd correctly and that they provide all the specs and features that you need. Secondly, I think especially at this point, as we look at this digital enterprise and this evolution, products that are scalable, they can kind of scale with you, and these products are designed to do that as well. So maybe today you're not fully integrated yet, but these products are kind of future-proof in that way. They're designed to go in that environment. So I think making sure that you can do what you need to today, but also with an eye towards the future is really important.
Well, there's a lot more to learn about Advanced Energy, and they are an Encompass product partner, so all of their technologies work with Rockwell products. So go to the website shown on your screen and learn more. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2017 Automation Fair. I'll see you next time.